Okay, right, 5/6, we're looking at, with division, expressing your remainder as a decimal fraction. So the first thing you need to do, because in decimals, we'll go to 2 decimal places. What you need to do is add 2 decimal places to your number that you're dividing by, and I'm going to put this up here as well, and that's going to keep me organised. Okay, now this is really important, and for those people who are capable, we want to see you using this in the division worksheet as well as with the problem solving if it comes up. Okay, so firstly, 4 into 6 goes once. That's 6 divided by 4. I can do that once, and there are 2 left over. Now, this was hundreds, so there's 2 hundreds left over. I've moved the 2 hundreds into the tens column as now 27 tens. So 4 divided by 27 is 6, because 24 divided by 4 is 6. So there's 6, and there's 3 left over. That's 3 tens left over, which I've moved into the ones column. It's now 39 ones. I've expressed those 3 tens as now 31, so 39 ones. So 4 into 39 will be 9, because I know that 36 divided by 4 is 9, okay? Now I've got leftovers, and this is where it gets interesting, but you'll see the pattern, okay? So there are 3 left over. Now normally, you might write remainder 3, or 3/4, and you could write that as a fraction for your next bit. But we're going to do it as a decimal, okay? And this will always work for whatever your number you're dividing by is. It'll always work. So there were 3 left over. So 4 into 30 will go 7 times, because 28. It's 28 divided by 4 is 7. So it's 7, and there are 2 left over. Because it was 30, so 28. And now 20 divided by 4 is 5. And there it is. I've got no remainder, so I don't have to keep going. But you could actually keep going forever and ever if you wanted to. And you'll notice that 3/4 and 75 hundredths, or 0.75, have the same value. So 169 and 75 hundredths, or 7 tenths and 5 hundredths, or 0.75 is your answer.